guys, it's me Zoe, and today we are going to be making some slime. What you need is something to mix in, like something to put the slime in to make it. Glue. I'm going to use this blue Elmer's glitter glue, classic. And I'm probably going to use this big one. I always use Elmer's, but I just got this one because don't know why. You're going to need some eye contact solution and some shaving cream. It could be gel, it could be any kind. And something to mix with. First thing you're going to do is get you're going to get what you're going to put it in. You're going to pour how much you want. I'm not going to pour a lot, but crazy. It already looks like slime. I'm just going to do a little bit and for the big. Oh, it won't come out. It wants to stay. Okay. Okay. Let's put that up. So as you can see, I only did a little because I'm gonna do a whole bunch of this. So not a whole bunch, but some of that. Okay, so then you want to take your shave cream, and I'm going to open this. I took the top off. Okay, so I just put it on the top. I just put the top on for no reason, so let's take it off. So you're going to shake it up. And I don't know why, but this is a shave gel. How do you put this? Wait, what? Honestly, don't. Wait, do I need to take off something? Hold on. I have to press really hard. That hurt my fingers really bad. Get your mixing. And what I'm going to do is add some more glitter glue. Because that was a whole bunch of shaving cream, so. Turned into a blue. That's alright. Now I'm going to take the eye contact solution and I got it. I got it open. Okay, well, that scared me. Okay, well, put a little in at a time. Come together already. Just looks like foam or whatever shaving cream, but it's not. Keep adding. Sorry. Okay. I think it's time to play with. time to play with. I'm taking off my rings. Got my rings off. Let's get started kneading. Whoa, this is so cool. Okay, now we're kneading it. Move everything to the side. This is awesome, guys. Look it, it's all good. Okay, I'll see you guys when I'm done. I got it, guys. It's so cool. It's still a little bit, almost got in my hair. Still a little bit sticky. Oh, also another tip is you might want to put your hair up. It's not sticking to the table or anything. You just have to really knead it really good. Whoa. Still a little bit sticky. Let's add some more. This is awesome. Final touch of it, look it. I don't know if you can see, but it's glitter in it, and it's really awesome. I don't really know how to do that, so that's good. Next to the white one. Okay, so white slime. Well, I'm thinking if I add shaving cream in it, it is shaving gel blue kind, so it would turn blue. So don't know. But let's get started. This is my first time using this. Okay. Now, should I do the shaving cream inside, or should I just put the eye contact solution? This is a pretty hard choice, but I would do the eye contact solution. Okay? Okay. I'm just going to do the shaving gel, so yes. But I'm only going to put a little. I don't know why I can't do these. Finally. I turned it a little bit of blue, but now it's turning all blue, so. Sorry for the yelling in the background, if you can hear it. It's not that blue. So it's basically a white with like a little pinch of blue. keep on adding when it gets really good. I feel like it needs shaving cream actually helps it, guys. Just saying. So I'm going to actually put more shit. Yes, it fell on the table. Oh, it's still white.
Thank you.
Good, good, good.
Thank you.
Okay, sorry for the noise in the background. Okay, so now let's play with it. Ooh. Okay, I'm kneading it. Oh, and by the way, next time I will make a bigger slime because these are little slimes, but I poured a whole bunch of glue. But yeah, this one came apart really easy. So it's awesome. I'm gonna get the stuff that's in there to make it bigger. And plus, if you add more shaving cream, it'll go bigger. So. And probably I'm going to do a video of me putting food coloring in them. And then after I make a whole bunch of slimes, guess what I'm gonna do? Mix them all. Maybe. So this is like a white slime of little bit of blue. Okay. Okay, so you know why I like this slime though? Because I'm gonna show you. Right here, it is white. When you poke it inside, it's blue. I just noticed that. But, you know, it's awesome. Yeah. I love my slime so much, guys. So comment down below what else video I should do. And give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe. First person to subscribe. You're awesome. Yeah. So subscribe. Comment down below what else slimes I should make or bigger slime. So yeah, give this video a thumbs up, like, subscribe, and comment down below what I should do next with the slime or gymnastics or anything else. Bye guys, thank you for watching.